Oh, no way. Quick, get in, get in. Yeah, we're sending the drone up. We're gonna help out lifeguards on this one. Okay guys, welcome back to Lost to Recovery. Today we're gonna be smashing out in the ocean. We're gonna be looking for all that lost treasure, gold especially. Now tens of thousands of people are making their walk. They're doing the statues by the sea, as you can see here behind us as well. So there's many people out here today. We're gonna be looking for all that lost treasure, the gold, the silver, the platinum, the diamond rings, you know it. Lost to Recovery has been getting smashed with call outs all around Sydney and the world. So if you've ever lost anything, simply scan the QR code or just type in Lost to Recovery. Here's our website, contact us. There's treasure out there, we're gonna find it. See you in the water guys, cheers. Just seconds into our dive, we're already on our first target. This location's packed full of treasures. Let's find out exactly what it is. Later on, we're going to be helping out surfers from Bird's Eye View rescue a surfer out there in the water. Oh, here we go. What we got a beautiful gold ring. It's our first find of the day. Oh, hang on. Let's get a closer look. Is it gold? Ah, she's got gold. There's already treasure down there. On closer inspection, it appears to be a stainless steel ring, but I have been wrong before. It could still be in fact gold or silver. What could have half eaten this cod? There is a lot of big fish under this dock. We're surrounded by numbrays. We got stingrays. What's down there? More big fish. Fishing reel. Let's dive down the bottom. Here we got a blue swimmer crab. Check out that little beauty. Alright, let's keep finding some more treasure.
we have our first iPhone of the day, and she's seen better days. Crack screen. Oh my god, we got 10 bucks. Right next to it, we have an Apple Watch. Or is it a Fitbit? I've been tricked before. It's either an Apple or a Fitbit. Pair of sunglasses. This place has everything. It's like shopping at Aldi's. What else have we got right next to this? We've just got tons of stuff. We're directly underneath the ladder. Let's crack this open. Is that $10? You little beauty. 10 bucks cash in the mobile. Unfortunately, it didn't have an ID card. Or it could have gone back to the owner. Oh, watch out. Deadly. I'm talking about deadly coffin ray. Where there's treasure, there's trash. But it's part of our responsibility to clean up as we go. The more trash we find, the more treasure we find. Let's gear up, get back out there.
Get in the car, get in the car! That surfer, oh no, he's getting beat on the rocks. Yeah, quick, get in the car, we've got to go. Yeah, right now, we're getting the drone up in the air. Yeah, lifeguards are on their way. Oh, shit. No, he's stuck out there, he's stuck. Yeah, quick, get in. Oh, shit. Yeah, we're sending the drone up. Yeah, no. Yeah. We need, yeah. No, we need a bird's eye view. Yeah, no, we're going to help out lifeguards on this one. Yeah, I've got to rush down to the beach where we parked the bus stop. All right, yeah, quick, get in. That was a close call. I just spoke with the lifeguards. They managed to pull the surfer out of the water. Now, surf conditions have well over doubled in the last 2 hours. Our lifeguards have been under a lot of pressure. He broke his leash. The board ended up on Tamarama Beach. The surfer managed to swim around with the lifeguard here onto Bronte Beach, where he's pulled ashore by the rest of the lifeguards. But that was a close call. If the lifeguards weren't there for him today, it would have been done for. Try and swim between the red and yellow flags, guys. Can you find one tent peg? Yeah, find plenty more. Oh, sorry guys, been a long day. Just gotta keep going. We are way out of search area, but the phone's gotta be here. The GPS is saying it is, and we will find it. $1, nice, let's keep going. Oh, it's been a long day. We've had a ton of recoveries today. We're out there in the water, a lot of dolphins out there, it's really cool. Oh, no way. Woo! We got it. 2 hours of picking up bottle caps and tent pegs. We got his phone. Mark, mate, we're gonna be giving it to you. Will it work? Check it out. The lights are on. You little beauty. It's too late to call Mark right now. Mark, we'll see you tomorrow, mate. Yeah.
thoughts are spinning round in my head. My boss holds it down, 'cause I'm almost there. Now I see you through the window and I'm walking on air. But I won't let you know, and I know how it goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. It's too bad you had to leave. Please come back now, baby, where were we? Said you changed and a lot. Got the memories still popping up. Show me your heart, show you mine. You go first, I will whine. You're my soul, my heart, my beautiful. You're my first, my last, my wonderful. And I just can't seem to get enough. It's because I love you most of all. Million thoughts are flying from my head. Let's kiss them away and stay in my bed, just to know that you are mine. I'm floating on air, and I wanna let it show. But I know how it goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. We have changed.
There's Mark. That definitely looks like the man who's lost a mobile phone, is it?
Yes.
It was 100 meters outside that search area. So
Yeah, I'm sorry.
what exactly were you doing on the night that gave us such a large search area?
Kite surfing. Should have left it in the car.
Found something. I've already sent you
No
some
way.
photos. Is that your mobile?
Oh my god. It works, the guy. Even
Yeah,
It's even
charge her
better.
up for you.
You charge
Actually,
her,
yeah, double check it.
Yeah, it works. Thanks,
Just want to
mate.
say thank you for contacting
you.
Lost to Recovery
Yes.
worldwide. Where are you-
Worldwide?
We're worldwide. Actually, what
Okay.
country are you from?
Germany.
Yeah, you got a bit of an accent. We have actually got people in Germany that have
Okay.
joined up with losttorecovery.com. Friends and family are in Germany. Let them
them a
know,
ring.
contact Lost to Recovery. We've got one of our metal detecting specialists. They can go out there and help you.
Nice.
All right, with that
Awesome.
being said,
Thank
all I
you
want to
very
say is, no worries, mate. Have you lost jewelry or a mobile phone? Who are you going to call? Simply scan the QR code or just type in Lost to Recovery. Here's our website, contact us. Of what we found out there today was trash, but check out the awesome treasure. I'm talking about rings, mobile phone, we got an Apple Watch. Check this out. We got not one but two rings. This one here had me going. iPod earphones, rusty crusty, or someone didn't clean out their ears. Next up we have an Apple Watch. Is it Apple? Oh no, Fitbit. Sunglasses, Apple iPhone with 10 bucks inside. Get all that trash. Do you want to say that?
Huh? No, good.
No? Okay.
Have a good
Share,
one.
like, subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next hunt. Happy hunt, guys. Cheers. Haha.